Hey y'all, it's Tim here at Sam Boswell Honda in Enterprise, Alabama, and today I've got something a little bit different. This is the 2020 Ford Explorer ST, and this isn't your typical family SUV. This one is built for performance, comfort, and excitement all in one package. You see, the ST is special because the ST is the performance version of the Explorer lineup. Under the hood, you're getting a 3.0 liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6, and that thing is putting out 400 horsepower along with 415 pound-feet of torque. So you pair that with a 10-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive, this thing is getting 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds. And if you're keeping track, that is the same numbers you're getting from the Dodge Charger RT from the same year. You can tell just by looking from the outside that this isn't your typical Ford Explorer. For one, you've got this, sporty looking style, along with these pretty neat looking rims. And that styling is even more obvious here when you're looking at the front. Definitely looks more sporty, and obviously you're going to get your ST badging, letting everybody on the road know that this thing might look like your typical SUV, but when you put your foot down, it's going to put you back in the seat a little bit. Now, its performance is nice and everything, but what about the inside? Is that any different from your typical Ford Explorer? Well, a little bit. Let me give you a shot of what the inside looks like. Inside, it's every bit as impressive. You've got these leather sport seats with the ST badging, a heated steering wheel, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that I'm going to give you a shot of from behind here soon. But it just makes this whole cabin feel high-tech and driver-focused. Obviously, you're going to get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and of course, you're going to get premium sound for those long drives. So taking a look from this angle, you can definitely see there are some differences between this one and your average Ford Explorer. First off, take a look at this infotainment system, where it basically looks like they just threw an iPad mini in here, and it is extremely responsive. You've got your built-in navigation. This one also comes with your premium sound system. I think it's putting somewhere around 450 to 480 watts out of this radio, which is pretty neat. Now, this one comes with heated and ventilated seats, as well as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, heated steering wheel, which I've already told you about, but it also comes with paddle shifters because, again, this is the ST. It's the sporty edition, so of course you can switch this over to manual mode and shift gears like you're racing. If you're wondering about how the parking cameras work, all you gotta do is push this button right here. Actually do get a 360-degree view around the vehicle when you're parking, which is awesome. So all right, we know the front is pretty nice, but what's the back gonna be like? I'm glad you asked. Now, while this Explorer is extremely fast for a SUV, it is still an SUV, and the Explorer still gives you plenty of space for family or friends, with 3 rows of seating and power folding third row seats, so you can go from hauling people to hauling gear in just seconds. And you do get a little bit of luxury features back here. I mean, first of all, you've got these 2 captain seats back here that have, arm rests that go up and down. You've got this center console here with a storage area, a place to hold your phone, 2 cup holders, and then up here you've got your AC controls, and these seats, by the way, are heated. And here you've got a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and then on the right you actually have a 110 outlet just like you would have in your home. So yeah, nice little features to have on a SUV that goes 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds. So again and again, what you're going to see on this Ford Explorer ST is that this thing combines speed, sportiness, with convenience. So yeah, while you get this nice ST badging and you get your quadruple exhaust out here, you've also got this little feature. And you can also do this. So like I was saying earlier, yeah, you do have 3 rows, but something tells me if you're driving one of these, you probably don't have need for that 3rd row. So why not just go ahead and put it down and give you more room to add all the other stuff that you really want to throw back there. And you know what? If you do have friends that want to ride along with you, well, hey, just throw that right on back up. Now at this point, a plebeian would probably have to come back here and push this button, but if you're buying this thing, you're obviously no plebeian, so you're just gonna do that and walk away. So, if you've been looking for an SUV that's both practical and a blast to drive, or maybe you just want to know what 400 horsepower feels like in an SUV, come on down to Sam Boswell Honda here in Enterprise, Alabama, and get behind the wheel of this beast. You can call 334-308-2051 and ask for Tim, and we'll get you behind the wheels of this bad boy. And I'm telling you, once you've taken it for a drive, you'll be mad because you won't want to leave without it. Again, my name is Tim. This is Sam Boswell Honda. You can call or text me at 334-308-2051. Come on down, take her out for a spin. You'll be glad you did.